two parties, Jacob versus Esau, which Jacob would be the patriarch and forefather of the children of Israel, which would consist of you so-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans, versus Esau, who would be the progenitor of the so-called white race. Well, this struggle goes all the way back to the womb of Rebecca, which is now intensifying before your very eyes. Now, to get a better understanding of this idea, let's click on this word struggle. Yeah, and the Hebrew word here would be ratazah, and it says to crush, oppress, oppress. And these words here, crush and oppress, pretty much proves that these two parties, Jacob and Esau, would translate to the modern day white man versus you so-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans. It's well documented how this devil crushed and oppressed the children of Israel. Now, when you scroll down here in these definitions, it says to crush each other. See that? To crush each other. So really, when you go into the dynamic of this struggle in the womb, we actually crushed and oppressed these devils as well. That's why our Lord Yahweh made the statement concerning this time as being the days of vengeance, meaning this will be the time where the so-called white man would attempt to get his lick back, if you will, which really these devils have been getting their lick back ever since 70 AD. But now we're in a time where that struggle is being climaxed, where the Lord has rekindled that ancient old hatred, if you will, that has lied dormant in the so-called white man. We're in a time where this man will once more openly show his hate towards the so-called